Alright guys, so this video should have been included in another video that I made. It was the installation video of the Icemaker on this Mega. I call it the Mega, or I think that's what Samsung calls it. Anyways, it's basically the best poke refrigerator, dual Icemaker, and I will link the video for the actual installation of the Icemaker, which shows the removal of the Icemaker and the actual installation of the Icemaker. So this is a portion of that video, but I did not include it. I wanted to show this portion, which includes testing the Icemaker after the installation. A lot of times when you install the Icemaker, you want to make sure that it actually calls for water and it's actually doing what it's supposed to do. And also you get to check your connections, that they're tight and that they're actually fully connected. So after the installation or the screws are installed, we'll be showing the actual test. Now those two blue buttons, I will go over those. Those are going to be your Icemaker test button. And what those do, if your Icemaker is not making ice, you can press and hold, and your Icemaker should call for water and or dump ice. Those are the buttons, and it basically checks your valve and the Icemaker motor. So next is going to be pressing the buttons, and you'll see the Icemaker when they do their cycling. We're going to be dumping ice in one of them, and then the other is going to be cycling. You'll hear the water coming in. Water's coming in after it goes back. The link for the other video will be in the description for the installation. Alright guys, thanks for watching.